Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter, and all we have to do now is simply tap on the settings icon, so let's do it. Now let's tap on languages and types, and here we have to tap on manage input languages. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so we've got a lot of options to choose from. Here we've got downloaded ones, and under it we've got available languages, so if you will find your language in this list, all you have to do is simply tap on this download icon, and after that it will be successfully downloaded and installed. But let me pick something from the defaultly installed ones, so let me pick, for example, Arabic, and as you can see here we've got only English applied because of this switcher, so let me tap on the switcher here to activate the Arabic. Now let's get back. As you can see, it appears on this list. What's more, we've got new option, language switching method. Let's tap on it, and here you can decide how you want to switch the languages, so you can swipe the spacebar, you can activate the language key, or both of them. So I think I will pick both of them, so let me leave it like this, and now we can get back to the keyboard, so let's do it. Okay, and as you can see, actually nothing changed, but we've got the new icon, globe icon, which is right here. What's more, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So now obviously I am typing English, but after and it depends, after tapping on the globe icon or after swiping the spacebar, we can easily switch the languages. So let me show you how to do it. Let's swipe, and as you can see, I easily changed the keyboard to the Arabic one. After tapping on the globe icon, for example, I can easily switch to the English. So actually this is how to add a language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because if you do not need two languages, then you can easily turn it off. So just go back to the settings, tap on languages and input, and tap on manage input languages. And as you can see here, we've got both languages which are applied right now. If you want to turn off the language, just tap on this switcher, and as you can see now it is inactive. Let's get back. It also disappeared from this list. Let's get back to the keyboard, and we do not have the globe icon, and after swiping on the spacebar we cannot do actually anything. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.